Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the next session of General Science class. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Students, in the previous class, we have completed the theory portion of chapter 9 and today we will do the exercises of this chapter. So, all of you take your textbook and open page number 107. Question A. Choose the correct option. First one. Which of these is not a source of light? Options are sun, moon, lighted candle, stars. Which of these is not a source of light? Answer is option B, moon. All others are source of light. So answer is option B, moon. All of you tick option B. Second question. Which of the following is a luminous object? Options are sun, plant, moon, planets. Which one is luminous object? Answer is option A, sun. All others are non-luminous object. So answer is option A, sun. Third question. You will be able to see most clearly through something that options are allows all light to pass through it, reflects all light falling on it, absorbs all light falling on it, allows half the light to pass through and reflects the other half. Answer is option A, allows all light to pass through it. You will be able to see most clearly through something that allows all light to pass through it. So all of you tick option A. Fourth one, tracing paper is transparent, opaque, translucent. None of these. Tracing paper is translucent material. So, all of you tick option C, translucent. Fifth one, which of the following is false about shadows? Options are source of light is required, something that blocks the light coming from the source is required, transparent objects do not form shadows, when an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets smaller. Answer is option D. When an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets smaller. This is false about shadows. So all of you take option D. When an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets smaller. Now B question. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. First one, an object which gives out its own light is called a dash object. Options are rectilinear, luminous, translucent, size, opposite. What is the answer? An object which gives out its own light is called luminous object. So, luminous is the answer. All of you write here. Luminous. An object which gives out its own light is called a luminous object. Second question. The propagation of light in a straight line is known as dash propagation of light. What it is called? Propagation of light in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. So, all of you write here rectilinear. Now, third question. Materials that allow only some light to pass through but not enough to see clearly through them are called dash materials. Answer is translucent. Materials that allow only some light to pass through but not enough to see clearly through them are called translucent materials. Right here, translucent. Fourth one, the dash of the shadow depends on the distance between the source of light and the object. Answer is size. The size of the shadow depends on the distance between the source of light and the object. Now, fifth question. A shadow always forms on the dash side of the source of light. Answer is a shadow always forms on the opposite side of the source of light. Right here, opposite. Now, see question. Write true or false. some statements are given here. We have to identify if it is true or false. First one, sun is the natural source of light. Is it true? Yes, it's a true statement. We have already studied sun is the natural source of light. So, it's a true statement. Now, second question. Stars are not a source of light. Is it true? No, it's a false statement. Correct statement is stars are a source of light. Now, third question. Planets are luminous objects. Is this statement true? No, it's a false statement. Correct statement is planets are non-luminous object, not luminous object. So, it's a false statement. Write here false. Fourth one, light bends when it passes from one medium to another. This is known as refraction of light. Is this statement true? Yes, it's a true statement. Light bends when it passes from one medium to another. This is known as refraction of light. True. Fifth one, shadows are formed because light cannot pass through opaque objects. Is it true? Yes, it's a true statement. Shadows are formed because light cannot pass through opaque object. It's a true statement. Write here true. Now, D question. Give two examples of the following. First one, natural source of light. Two examples are sun, glowworms. What are the examples of natural source of light? Sun, glowworms. Write here sun and glowworms. Second question, artificial source of light. Examples are candles, electric bulbs. Two examples of artificial source of lights are candles, electric bulbs. Third question, transparent objects. Examples of transparent objects are air, pure water. Fourth one, translucent objects. Two examples are tracing paper, butter paper. Fifth one, opaque objects. Examples are wood, metal. Next one, subjective type questions. Answer the following questions in short and answer the following questions in detail. Answers of these questions are available in school website. All of you should write the answers of these questions in your classwork copy. Next one, picture based questions. Identify and write A for artificial source of light, N for natural source of light, L for luminous and NL for non-luminous objects. You may write more than one wherever applicable. So students, some pictures are given here. We have to identify whether it is artificial source of light or natural source of light or luminous or non-luminous object. If it is artificial source of light, write A in this box. If it is natural source of light, write N this box. If it is luminous object, write L in this box, and if it is non-luminous object, write NL in this box. You may write more than one wherever applicable. So, first figure. Students, what is this? This is moon. This is the figure of moon. Moon is non-luminous object. So, write in this box NL. NL for non-luminous object. So, all of you write in this box NL. Now, second figure. What is this? This is CFL bulb. We know that CFL is artificial source of light and luminous object. So, all of you write in this box A, L. A for artificial source of light, L for luminous object. Now, third figure. What is this? This is candle. Candle is artificial source of light and luminous object. So, write here A, L. A for artificial source of light and L for luminous object. Now, next figure. What is this? This is telephone. We know that it is non-luminous object. So, write in this box NL. Next figure. This is sun. Sun is natural source of light and luminous object. So, write in this box N, L. N for natural source of light and L for luminous object. Now, next figure. What is this? This is clouds. Cloud is non-luminous object. So, write here NL. Next figure. What is this? This is rainbow. Rainbow is non-luminous object. So, write here NL. NL is non-luminous object. Now, next figure. What is this? This is coat. Coat is non-luminous object. So, write here NL. Next one worksheet. Question A. Observe the following images and mention the property of light shown in each of them. Students, 4 pictures are given here. We have to identify the property of light related with each images. So, first figure. In this figure, we can see light passing through a prism. When light passes through a prism, it splits into 7 colors. So, this figure is related with the third property of light, that is, light is made of 7 colors. So, all of you write here, light is made of 7 colors. Now, second figure. What is this? This is refraction of light. What is refraction of light? When light travels from one medium to another, it bends away from its normal line of motion. This is called a refraction of light. This is related with the fourth property of light, that is, light bends. So, all of you write here, light bends. Now, next figure. Here, we can see a boy is looking at the candle through a straight and a bent tube. This figure is related with the second property of light, that is, light travels in straight lines. Now, next figure. Here we can see light coming from a torch. This figure is related with the two properties of light. First one, light travels from one place to another, and second property is light travels in straight line. So, all of you write here, light travels from one place to another. Second one, light travels in straight line. Now, B question. List any 5 of the following objects from your surroundings. We have to write 5 examples of transparent objects, translucent objects and opaque objects from our surroundings. So, 5 examples of transparent objects are air, pure water, some plastics, plain glass, spectacles. All these are examples of transparent objects. All of you write here air, pure water, some plastics, plain glass, spectacles. Now, examples of translucent objects. 5 examples are tracing paper, butter paper, frosted glass, sunglass, tinted car window. What are the examples of translucent objects? Tracing paper, butter paper, frosted glass, sunglass, tinted car window. Now, examples of opaque objects. 5 examples are wood, metal, rubber, cardboard, cloth. All of you write here wood, metal, rubber, cardboard, cloth. So students, now we have completed the exercises of this chapter. All of you should complete the work today itself. In the next class, we will start a new chapter. So, see you in the next class. Till then, bye students. Thank you.